Hi Keepers, it's Miss Heather. Welcome to Matilda choreography video. This one I'm going to talk you through it, and then I'm going to add another one doing it with the music. Okay, this is Two Revolting Children, and it starts during the first chorus. You're going to go, we are revolting children, 2 times. Children in revolting times. So it goes, kick, cross, step, jump, jump. That goes, kick, your arm crosses, opposite arm, bump, bump. Yep, so we are revolting children living in revolting times. Your arm comes up, will sing. Then this comes, revolting songs. Using right foot, revolting left foot, rhymes. Then you punch, will be. Revolting children, 2 really low dips. Revolting children. Then you're gonna march till our revolt is done. So it goes right, left, and right. Then you're gonna kick your right foot. We'll have the trudge. Then you're gonna put your 2 fingers to your left shoulder bowl. I'm sorry, I lied. This left hand. We'll have the trudge bowl, bolting. Then you're gonna lean really far the other way, bolting. Then you're gonna push down. We're revolting. Then you scream, ah! Then after, ah! You're gonna jump and clap. This won't necessarily be how it goes with when we're in the show, but I'm putting things together to make it quick for your audition. So then the next time, we are revolting children. So 1, revolting children, something in revolting times, cross step, nod, nod, cross step, nod, nod. So that just crosses right foot in front, cross, and your left arm comes in front. Then your right arm comes straight above right below your chin. Nod, nod. And you do that 2 times. And this one's right behind my back. So you clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Nod, 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 nod. From here, you're going to step, left foot, kind of like in a march, left, kick right, then you're gonna step right, left, and that is it. But at the end, I do want you to party for at least 1 8 count, and it doesn't have to be technical. It can just be like crazy. It could be turning. I want to see your arms in the air. You could do jumping jacks, you can freak out, but I just want to see how crazy excited you can be on stage to be wild kids who are ready to take Trudge Bowl down. Okay, that's it. So 1 8 count of partying, and then after that, if you have any tricks, special tricks, like if you can do turns in second, or if you can do a round off, or any tumbling, or handstands, or back walkovers, or any of that kind of stuff. You do not have to be able to do it at all to get any kind of part in the show. But it always is helpful for me to just add a little texture to know if there's any kids out there who can do crazy fun stuff. I can't wait to see you at camp. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, now go work on it with the music, and I can't wait to see your videos. Okay.